Each year in April in Las Vegas, there's a massive camera convention called the NAB Show, which is put on by NAB, the National Association of Broadcasters. It's typically where tons of camera manufacturers, video editing companies, and pretty much any company that has anything to do with media production or video production will launch their latest gear, latest updates, latest product launches. I've been going since 2015, covered it, writing some roundup articles for Filmmaker magazine, but this year, we're gonna go big. We're gonna do a lot of videos and put out a lot of updates about all the new things that we find at NAB. But I want to come at it from a unique angle. So kind of most of the coverage that I see from NAB, it's either very industry specific. NAB has a lot of very technical companies. It's not just about video cameras and stuff, but it's National Association of Broadcasters. So it's about all sorts of broadcast technology, TV, radio, all of the technology stuff behind the scenes that makes all of that work. So there's just tons of technical stuff there. And then I also see a lot of camera coverage and gear coverage and new updates, but it's usually targeted for people where their entire job is around cameras and video production. So videographers, directors of photography, cinematographers. I want to make videos and cover NAB focused on people where video is part of your job, but it is not your complete job. So what do I mean by that? Company founders where you're running a company, but you know video marketing is important and you've got to put out new videos and record videos, but that's just one job that you do out of many. Same thing, marketers where you are marketing, video marketing is part of your job, but that is not your entire job. Your entire role is not making videos, but you want to find out tools and stuff to make your life easier. And also like content creators, people who do podcasts, who write newsletters, and you want to get into video, but again, that's not your main thing, but you are interested in video. So that's who our target is, and that's what I want to make videos for and cover NAB. The goal is to find and post videos about gear and tools that will make you more efficient, save you money, or help you make better quality videos faster, cheaper, better. That's kind of our goal, is to find out that stuff and cover it and report on it and post out videos so you can kind of see what's happening and what's new out there so you could do your job better and make better videos. So if you want to follow all of our NAB coverage, all you have to do is just hit that subscribe button right here on the channel. That's literally it. You'll get all the videos as they come out. Turn on the alert notification so you do get the videos and alerted when they do come out. If you want more of something in your inbox and you want a daily digest email that we're just going to do for the 4 days that NAB's going on, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up, put your email in, and we'll send you our daily roundup of all of the videos that we post for the day so you can stay up to date. And then also if you do have a company and are interested in sponsoring the series and getting in front of a bunch of people who are interested in video, but video is not their main thing, then also the same link below, you can hit me up and we've got some slots left for sponsors. That's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments below if you've got specific companies or specific things that you're looking for and want to see what's happening at NAB. So I'll make sure that we do videos about them, track them down and find them so we can post videos for you. Thanks for watching. I will see you as we start posting NAB videos.